Last time I was here, this was completely empty. And I know they've had several trucks already haul out of here. But it looks like it's serving its purpose. A smaller version of the hoop bin at Chase. So when the semi comes, the blue auger is used to auger the pile from there to the truck. And when they dump into the Quonset, that auger is used. And I guess it's got some issues. Jim says it's just wore out. It's tired. All these dams and little reservoir areas that you see in this area that we're at right now was built by somebody a long time ago. I don't know how many years. But his intentions were to use the water from Sand Creek for irrigation, so he set up a bunch of pipes and canals and ways to make that happen. And then after going through all that work, the water is salty, so it did no good for the ground or the plants. So it was a waste of time. That's why you don't see this ground being irrigated. See, here's some of this irrigation stuff. Right? Because the water won't allow for it.
I don't think that bearing's out any worse than it was.
Oh, well, something's at the chain slack then.
I looked at that, and I can't really tell how much the chain is wore out unless you take it apart, lay it down, and see how much slack is between all the pitches and rollers, you know.
Gotcha. Well, I have new chain. I got a new link, and I think I'll probably maybe just try to replace the chain and see if that helps any.
Well, that's the cheap thing to try, because I don't think the bearing's out any worse than it was.
Okay.
And it's not a 10-minute job. You know, it might be an hour.
Yeah.
And I just,
well, I do have a chain, so if we take it off, and I can go up to and get a grinder, and
well,
we can make a chain real quick.
Well, we can do it better than that. I got a chain breaker and all that crap.
Okay. Well, I'm on my way then.
But what we need is we probably need to replace both them chains, so we need 2 master links and 1 half link.
Well, I have a master link.
Well, I can probably dig around and come up with a half.
I have 2 half links here too, that they've been used, but I think they're in good shape. So, but we could maybe reuse one of the master links on them chain.
I can dig around in my tool truck and come up with it.
Okay, I'll be there shortly.
Well, I'm just to the combine, so I got to get it going.
Okay, not a problem.
Yep, bye.
Bye.
morning, Ryan.
Nothing.
I guess we got probably enough for that big one. That little one seems to be.
Well, I guess.
I'd much rather replace that big one. The little one, obviously.
Okay, there's the halfling. Did you say you had one half?
I have 2 half ones. They're just used, but I have them.
Well, you can probably use this one again.
He didn't tell you what the dumbass did before I oiled the chain, man.
No. What happened?
No, I didn't.
He didn't tell me anything.
Well, I was trying to push the auger with the pole rod, the 5th wheel pole rod.
Yeah.
Anyways, when I slipped and the rod fell into the chains and one chain jumped off and scarred up the chain or the rod a little bit.
It's a good thing you didn't get hurt.
Yeah, but screwed up the chains in the process. So that's good. That's how they are. Oh, yeah. The one on there I don't think is that bad, actually.
Keep your eye on that one right there.
That's the one you're cutting.
Keep your finger on it.
Well, if you want to get your combine going, it's down there.
Yeah. Tracy, if you why don't you start your combine and open the tarp on the other truck, and I guess we're ready.
Time to get to work. Leave those 2 to the chain situation, I guess. Not a whole lot left in this field, so it won't take long to get moved, and then I guess we're moving over there. And the last field will get started today as well. Get finished up tomorrow over there. The last day is always hard. I swear there should be some sort of group or something for the harvest letdown, because I'm surely not the only one that feels this. And today it's already starting. Well, 2 more fields to go. Got this one done. Move over to the next one. Personality on this field was not too bad. Not too bad. Back over the dam. Dirty.
Yeah, windy. Wind's blowing out.
A bad spot. sun's starting to go down, and I haven't explained to you about this field yet at all. This field is a Bearcat. For being the very last field for the entire season, I hate that it's one that I feel like I can't wait till I'm done. But I can't wait till I'm done. There's ravines and more weeds and more rocks, and it's just Montana Western. So I'm going out with a bang, I guess. But I'm still regretful that tomorrow is my last day. Sort of in hopes of catching some of the lightning in the northwest. It looks like maybe a cloud is coming over and could drop some rain.